شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to part 3 of our Quran series. We will continue with our Q&A session. I hope that you like my effort. Now let's get started.
What were those worships and prayers that were ordered by Allah to the community of Bani Israel and which were continued by the Muslim Ummah also?
Salat and Zakat. Al-Baqarah verse 43.
The Quran repeatedly warns of a certain day. Can you say which day it is?
Yawm al-Qiyamah, Doomsday.
Who were those people with whom Allah was pleased and they were pleased with him, as mentioned in the Quran?
Companions of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
In which holy book of non-Muslims the Quran is mentioned repeatedly?
The holy book of Sikh community, Granth Sahib.
In which year were the vowels inserted in the Quran?
43 Hijra.
Who were the first serious students of the Quran?
As-Sahabas Sufa.
Which is the first residential university where the faculty of the Quran was established for the first time?
Masjid-e-Nabawi.
By what name did the Quran address those noble and pious people who were selected by Allah to convey His message to mankind?
Nabi, Prophet, Rasul, Messenger.
What type of a person does the Quran want to make?
Mu'min.
What is the scale or measure of one's dignity according to the Quran?
Taqwa.
What, according to the Quran, is the root cause of the evil?
Alcohol.
What are the two most important types of verses found in the Quran?
Muhakamat and Mutashabihat.
Which is the smallest surah in the Quran?
Surah Al-Kawthar.
Which is the longest surah in the Quran?
Surah Baqarah.
Who was the only lady whose personal name is found in the Quran?
Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam.
In which surah of the Quran do you find maximum instructions?
Surah Al-Baqarah.
When and where did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Jibril alayhi salam meet for the second time?
On Friday 18th Ramadan in the cave of Hira.
What was the interval between the first and the second revelation?
2 years and 6 months.
What was the age of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when Quran was revealed to him through Jibril alayhi salam?
40 years.
How long did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive the revelation of the Quran in Makkah?
13 years.
How long did the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive the revelation of the Quran in Medina?
10 years.
Where was the first surah revealed?
Makkah.
Where was the last surah revealed?
Medina.
How many years did it take for the complete revelation of the Quran?
22 years, 5 months and 14 days.
Which surah of the Quran is to be read compulsorily in each rakat of the salat?
Surah Fatiha.
Which is the surah which Allah taught us as a dua?
Surah Fatiha.
What is the reason of keeping Surah Fatiha in the beginning of the Quran?
It is the door to the Quran.
Which is the surah that does not start with Bismillah?
Surah Tawbah.
In which surah of the Quran Bismillah is repeated twice?
Surah Naml. That's it, guys. Today's session ends here. Hope to see you in the next part of the Quran series, and don't forget to smash that like button. Allah Hafiz.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا.